Hello, my name is Leslie Forehand. I'm a lecturer at the College of Design at Iowa State University, and I was one of the instructors in charge of running Winterset through a classroom of students. What we've planned for with regards to this project is to create a unique design build experience. So instead of having one or a group of individual students design a project, our plan is to integrate it into our long-standing design build reputation here at the College of Design, and by doing so enabling a group of students rather than an individual to engage with a range of community partners within fabrication and within the university itself, enhancing the learning experience on a level beyond simply design. This video will allow the jurors to better understand the intention of these projects. Each project was left with a little wiggle room with regard to the design. The intent is that if awarded in the following semesters, we would engage that within a design build course. And the group of students within that course, which would also include students that design, but also new students that aren't familiar with the project, they would be tasked with designing those remaining elements and then actually coming to Winterset and fabricating it on site with local fabricators. So our intent really is, this is an Iowa project. We want our Iowa State students to build it, and we want to use Iowa State materials and Iowa State manufacturers in order to achieve that.
Hi, my name is Kimberly Zarakor. I'm Program Director for the Bachelor of Design program in the College of Design, and I also teach in the Architecture program. And we're really excited about the opportunity for our students to work with Winterset and have a chance to put these designs into the student competition. When we heard about the project, we thought it was perfect for the Bachelor of Design students who study design through an interdisciplinary lens. And this project gave them a chance to work in teams, to think about history, to think about site, and to really use a lot of the tools that we give them in Bachelor of Design to try to come up with projects that were not just about objects or not just about images, but somehow worked between those things and thought about public space and the interaction of people and the library and the park around it. And I think that the projects that the students have done are great because they're really possible to implement, and we have plans here to use recycled wood and to use the shop here and to think about fabrication and to really make this a student project from start to finish. And we really look forward to what the possibilities are going to be in the fall if we end up as the winners of the competition.
My name is Shelby Doyle. I'm an assistant professor of architecture at Iowa State University. I was recently part of the President's High Impact Hire Initiative with a focus on technology and specifically design, build, and digital fabrication. At the Iowa State University College of Design, we work to combine digital fabrication and design build to create architecture with unique construction and computation methods. Design Build is a unique architectural education model of project-based learning that empowers students to construct their designs in collaboration with local communities. Digital fabrication leverages computer-aided design and manufacturing technologies and integrates tools from the aerospace, automotive, and shipbuilding industries. It has altered both the ways buildings are conceived and manufactured. The combination of these disciplines allows for direct, hand-on engagement with technology and challenges students to explore methodologies poised to have an innovative impact on the future of the Architectural Academy and profession.
Hi, my name's Chris Martin, and I teach furniture design at Iowa State University. And I'm just going to talk to you about the Tree Cycle program. It started back in 2006 when the largest record scarlet oak came down on central campus at Iowa State, and I got contacted by the university if I would be interested in doing anything with the wood from the tree. Most of the wood up till that point was actually made into mulch and used for landscaping. So I thought about it and ended up, my students worked on a project for the university museums where they made benches and some lecterns and some desks for the university out of that wood. And that basically turned into the Tree Cycle program, which is any tree that comes down on campus now for natural reasons or for new building, new construction, that kind of thing. They consider, they have me come out and evaluate the tree. If it's worth getting lumber from, then we will actually cut the tree down into manageable lengths and cut it into lumber that in turn will be used for projects around campus.